Hey, it's Adam, Avalon Auto, Alpharetta, Georgia. Avalon Auto ATL on Instagram, Avalon Auto Group on YouTube. So, next up, 2014 Toyota 4Runner. Limited 4x4 V6, one owner, Blizzard White Pearl, Redwood interior. Absolutely beautiful car. Love the color combo. Outside is super clean. There was a dent on this tailgate. I just got it back from detail. I'm going to get the touch up out and go around it. This has one accident on the Carfax. Showed rear bumper. Rear bumper looked like it was probably never fixed. It's really just damage right in this bottom area. So that's been redone. Great Michelin's all around it. Always owned in Georgia. Great service history. No rust underneath it. It's stupid clean underneath. I mean, just real clean, no leaks. Michelin's got great life left in them. Probably, 75, 85% left. Again, a couple of little spots I'm gonna touch up. I keep this touch-up paint in stock because it's a common Lexus color, but beautiful car. I mean, this thing drives amazing. It does have PPF on the front. There's some bug damage on the PPF that I think I might actually be able to clean off. But the PPF's in good shape. Interior is awesome. I love the color combo. This dark brown, I think they call it Redwood or something on the driver app. Looks great. Loaded up, navigation, cooled seats, heated seats. Of course, four-wheel drive, A-track, downhill ascent control, navigation, JBL sound, Bluetooth, cruise control, steering wheel controls, push button start. Let's see what else we got. USB connectors, more power outlets in the middle. All the books are here. 194,000 miles, but excellent service history and one owner. So I like it a lot. It's got the heated windshield wiper feature for the de-ice your windshield wipers. The rear outlets, parking sensors, sunroof, driver's seat, passenger seat are in great shape. Back seat is absolutely perfect. Third row, I've deployed them a little bit for the pictures, but it's back there. Not all of these have third row, so it's nice to have one with that option. Again, the JBL sound, the rear outlets. Really nice car all around. It does have some aftermarket door edge guard, which we can probably pull off, but underneath the door edge guard has got some old PPF. This is that dealer installed package. We could probably take it back to the detailer and take all that off, but at least the edges aren't all chipped up like they are on a lot of them. Nice easy access for the third row over here. Again, inside is very clean. Also has two power outlets in the back. Both front seats are powered. Again, all the manuals. That is a factory tow connector if you wanted to add a trailer brake to it. This does look like the previous owner probably maybe towed a little utility trailer or something, because it's got the 4-prong connector, and then probably something for lights on the utility. I don't know what the hell that is actually, but undercarriage very, very clean. Engine bay, spotless. Brake fluid looks good. Power steering fluid could use a flush. Coolant is perfect. Oil levels are great. The battery's in good health. Everything on this one's really, really nice. Everything works. Ice cold AC. Really nice truck. So if you're looking for a nice 4Runner, this one also does have all the factory all-weather mats in it. This is a beautiful, great color combo. It's going to be priced right at 20 grand, $19,990. Doesn't need a thing. Beautiful 4Runner. Adam with Avalon Auto. Let us know if you have any questions.